So from the video title, I'm going to walk you through what you need to know, right? So ensure you subscribe and turn on notifications to this channel if you like to be educational create content like this. Now what we're going to do right now, we're going to go to your Discord, right? You should create your Discord server first. I think I made a video about that. So you're going to click on here, click on this server settings, right? Then this system message channel is basically a channel that's like if people joins up, so you can really send a random message. All this stuff is basically going to be the system message channel. So the best channel to choose for this is basically the welcome channel, right? You're going to click on here, click on the welcome, save changes. So this is basically how you can change this, right? If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna see you, my friends, in the very next one.